So the ingredients for this super delicious yet simple breakfast and or lunch recipe are a good thick slice of white bread, about 5 to 6 mushrooms which I've cut into quarters. You can also leave them whole, but I like them a bit more bite-sized. Some butter, a small handful of parsley, 1 clove of garlic, and finally some salt and some pepper. Let's do this. For this I'm going to take a small pan and put it on the fire. Add a good amount of butter and let it melt. In the meanwhile, toast your bread in the toaster. So once the butter has melted, add in your mushrooms. Give it a good stir. And let them fry for about a minute or two. Once they start turning golden brown, you can season them with some pepper and some salt. Give them another stir. At this point you can add in the garlic. Press it in there. And the parsley. Give everything a really good stir and let it fry for another 30 seconds. Make sure you don't over fry the garlic because it will become bitter. Turn off the fire and there you go. The topping is done. So in the meanwhile the toast is ready. At this point you can either add some butter and a bit of garlic on top, but I think personally that is a bit too much, so I just like to dump my mushrooms on top. And there you have it.